In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. Whether you're organizing projects, tracking tasks, or building a knowledge base, making a duplicate is a quick way to reuse structure and content without starting from scratch. Before we begin, it helps to know that Notion databases come in two forms: page databases and inline databases. A page database lives as its own page in the left sidebar. An inline database is embedded directly inside a page, alongside your other content. Duplicating a database creates a copy with the same properties, views, filters, and entries as the original, so it's perfect for templating or experimenting safely. Your changes to the duplicate won't affect the original. Keep in mind that if your database uses relations or rollups, they'll still point wherever they were pointing before, since you're copying the database, not rebuilding its connections. Let's start with a page database. Look to the left sidebar and find the database listed there as its own page. Right-click the database in that left pane. In the menu that appears, choose Duplicate. Notion will create a copy for you right away, typically placing it near the original in the sidebar. That's it. You now have a fully duplicated database you can open and use just like the original. If you're reusing it for a new project, this is a great moment to check that your views and filters match your new context. Now, let's do the same for an inline database. Navigate to the page where your database is embedded. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the database until you see the drag handle appear. Click that handle to select the entire database block. This ensures you're duplicating the whole database, not just a single row or view. After selecting, choose Duplicate for an instant copy right beneath the original. If you prefer, you can also choose Copy, which is helpful when you want to place the database somewhere else. Duplicate is the quickest route when you just need a second version on the same page. A few tips as you work. Duplicating keeps your properties and views intact, which is great for consistency. If your original has filters or sorts that are very specific, glance over them in the duplicate so they suit your new use case. And if you're collaborating, make sure you have the right access to duplicate content in that workspace. That's all there is to it. You've seen how to duplicate both a page database and an inline database in Notion, quickly and confidently.